Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need your SSN or ITIN and a current mailing address. Once ready, choose a request path. Start at the IRS transcript options and pick Get Transcript Online for instant PDFs or Get Transcript by mail for a mailed copy. Make sure your name, address, and financial records match IRS records to avoid verification delays. Keep your most recent 2-3 returns and a working phone or email nearby because identity checks will use those. Begin the chosen path now to move to verification. Once done with initial selection, you must verify your identity. The online tool will ask for a driver's license, mobile verification, and exact financial details to match IRS records. Follow prompts to enter AGI or prior year tax data when prompted. This proves ownership. Then pick the transcript kind you need: tax return transcript for return lines or account transcript for balance history, and choose the years. If online verification fails, switch to the mail option and request a paper transcript. After verification, download the PDF or wait for the mailed transcript. Save it to an encrypted folder and print if needed. If you chose mail, expect delivery in about 5-10 business days and confirm the IRS has your current address to avoid misdelivery. If identity verification fails or you see mismatched records, call the IRS Identity Verification Line or visit a local taxpayer assistance center with ID and proof of address. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves repeated denials.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.